government has also prioritized crop diversification, focusing on pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and high-value crops across 2 lakh hectares. Through the rice fallow management project, steps are being taken to improve farm income, cropping intensity and soil health by leveraging partnerships with leading research institutes and local agencies. To safeguard farmers against climatic risk, my government has ensured robust crop insurance coverage with 1.36 lakh farmers registered for the Rabi season. Promotion of organic farming through the Odisha Balabhadra Jaivik Chasa mission is being piloted in areas like Daringabadi and Swabhiman